How to make a cake box or a little jewellery box or anything you want box. Start with a nice bit of card and we're going to fold all four corners into the centre. Boom, that's step one. So now all four corners have been folded towards the middle. I'm using a beautiful bit of double-sided card. The next thing is I'm going to fold this edge towards the centre on all four sides. So this edge to the centre, this edge to the centre, this edge and fold flat to the centre, and this edge to the centre. So two sides done. Now I'm just going to slap this out and fold this side towards the centre and this side towards the centre. Okay, all those different folds now have made creases that we can follow. So now we need to make a few cuts. So I'm going to go from here to this one here. It's a little hard to see with the shadow. I'm going to do this on all four sides. Once I cut it, it'll make a bit more visual sense. So as you can see now, a little bit hard on this pattern paper. I'm trying to capture the light. I've made these little markings there. So I'm now going to cut down these lines. You'll see what sense it makes in a minute. So now I've cut down these lines here and here and here, and now the magic part is just folding up. So I'm going to fold this part down, fold these parts in, fold these parts in, try and do it with one hand, and we get this kind of shape. And then we do a similar thing with this one, but these ones fold on the inside. Again, it works better with more than one hand. So I'm filming with the other hand. And then this curls over like that. So we have two with these slaps that go out and two in, and ultimately we fold this in and fold this in. And this comes over the top and locks both pieces in place like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do it with both hands. And here we are, we have our box. So now we have our base, and made slightly bigger we have the top to go on top of the base. Let's see if it fits. And it will, if I can put it on with more than one hand. And beautiful. A beautiful, fairly robust, easy to make box. To open it up, it's quite a tight fit, this one, so I have to do it with just one hand, but you get the idea. Woo. And boom. So it's like inside. I've secured it down with a little bit of tape. And there's our box. You can use it to put cookies in, or cake, or jewellery, or anything to give a little present. It's like a robust box. Give it as a part of a gift, but then the box is quite beautiful, so hopefully that'll be something that'll be kept long after the gift maybe has been used up. Let's put something in it. So we have our box, and I've made some cookies, some shortbread cookies. Now I'm going to put the cookies in the box. See how many will fit. So we're going to go, that's a perfect size. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more, 5. Let's go 4. So 4 cookies in a box. Let's go 5 actually. 5's a nice number. 5. So there we go. 5 cookies. Put this on like that. Over the top. Then we get the lid. And the lid goes on. And there we have a beautiful, put it on with one hand. Boom. A beautiful cookie gift box. Just like that.